Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question I get asked a lot. Does Wealthsimple have a mobile app? Now, before we dive into that, let's take a step back and talk about what Wealthsimple is for those who might not be familiar. Wealthsimple is a financial technology company that offers a variety of investment and banking services. They're known for their user-friendly approach and focus on making personal finance more accessible to everyone. So, back to our original question, does Wealthsimple have a mobile app? The answer is a resounding yes. In fact, Wealthsimple has a mobile app for both iOS and Android devices. But what can you do with the Wealthsimple app? Well, quite a lot, actually. Here are just a few of the things you can do. View your portfolio and track your investments in real time. Deposit and withdraw funds. Buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Set up automatic investing. Get personalized financial advice. And much more. The Wealthsimple app is a great way to stay on top of your finances and make sure your investments are on track. It's also a really convenient way to manage your money on the go. So, if you're looking for a user-friendly and comprehensive way to manage your finances, I highly recommend checking out the Wealthsimple app. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.